Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the top 5 metal detectors in the market for this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To see the price and find out more information about these metal detectors, you can check out the description below. Also make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, it's the Fisher F22. The Fisher F22 is primarily oriented towards the beginners whose hobby is metal detecting because this unit is easy to use and it's durable enough to withstand various weather conditions. So let's start straight away and find out why you should consider it. Design-wise, the F22, according to the manufacturer, sports a solid, fully weatherproof construction made of professional-grade components which will guarantee you long years of usage. Additionally, at the top, you'll notice that the handle has 2 U-shaped spaces which feel really comfortable if you want to use the detector in such a way. Or if you don't want to, slightly below you'll see the lower part of the handle is covered with padding, so you have a good grip and a better control over the device. To continue, the padding will also ensure that you won't feel any pain during your operation, so you can search as long as you like. Moving on, there's the 3-bar readout that has an intuitive design, so I think you won't have a hard time when it comes to adjustments that you may need to make. Furthermore, at the bottom, you'll find a 9-inch triangulated concentric elliptical search coil, which is waterproof, and that means that you won't be restricted on anything when it comes to your treasure hunt. However, let's talk about performance. This is equipped with a large 2-digit numeric target ID identification, and what's interesting about it is that it operates at a frequency of 7.69 kHz and has a deep and accurate targeting depth, which is quite good for an entry-level metal detector. For your information, the F22 has 4 operating modes, such as jewelry, artifact, coin, and the custom mode, so you can always choose and switch the mode according to what you want to search for. I also want to mention that due to the 9-segment visual target identification, the chances of an inaccurate detection will be set to the minimum, since this unit can distinguish between the trash metals and the treasure that you're actually digging for. To conclude, the Fisher F22 would be a fantastic option for you if you're looking for an entry-level metal detector that performs exceptionally well. At number 4, it's the Garrett AT Pro. The Garrett AT Pro is a fully waterproof metal detector packed with expert-level features and also comes at a fairly affordable price. This detector can be used in all terrains and can uncover targets ranging from platinum rings on a saltwater beach to gold and many other things. This particular model is fully submersible to 10 feet, which is perfect for hunting around ponds, lakes, creeks, rivers and even the ocean. Additionally, the Garrett AT Pro boasts proportional audio or Pro Mode audio in an advanced feature that can be turned on or off depending on your user preference, experience and skill level. To be more specific, this audio mode emits way more than a single tone when over a target. Accordingly, you'll hear many simultaneous tones which depict the characteristics of the target, including things like conductivity, shape and depth. Furthermore, just like proportional audio, iron audio is an advanced audio feature not found in the entry-level Garrett ACE series. This feature will allow you to hear discriminated iron in a way where you know there's iron in the ground, although your machine will emit very low squeaking tones that designate the target has iron content and is likely trash. But when it comes to the situations when a coin shooter hits a questionable signal and can't decide whether to dig, they can flip on iron audio and instantly determine if any iron exists in the target. This feature saves you from digging trash so you can spend more time digging good targets. Balance-wise, the AT Pro has both manual and automatic ground balance capabilities, a feature which is not easily found in other competitors at this price range. In addition, the AT Pro operates at a single 15 kHz frequency, which is great for finding targets of all sizes. Moreover, professional metal detectorists know that to be effective in your hunts, you need to use different search coils for various applications, and for that, Garrett provides a variety of options for the AT Pro, so make sure you check them out before you go. Overall, Garrett AT Pro is definitely a must-have, and if you're looking for something similar, this could be your ideal choice. At number 3, it's the Minelab Equinox 800. Minelab's Equinox 800 is a lightweight, waterproof and fast-responding detector that's simple to use, and above all it's fairly priced and comes as a top option for users worldwide due to its quality and performance. The most noticeable improvement is the new technology, in other words multi-frequency VFL, and we'll get back to that in just a little while. It uses 5 frequencies simultaneously and can also have its recovery speed altered depending on your ground conditions. First, out of the box you'll find the bottom, mid and top shafts. The top shaft comes with a waterproof control box and handles attached. You'll find the top and bottom arm cup pieces with a Velcro strap and locking screw. Additionally, the other large pieces are the 11-inch coil, Bluetooth headphones, WMO8 module, various cables and manuals. As mentioned in the beginning, Minelab calls their new technology Multi-IQ, which is VLF induction balance technology, but next generation by the fact that it can transmit 5 VFL frequencies simultaneously. To be more specific, the 5 frequencies were chosen by Minelab as the most productive spread to cover. These frequencies are 5 kHz, 10 kHz, 15 kHz, 20 kHz and 40 kHz, which can be selected as a single frequency too, if desired. Moving on, the coil is an 11-inch DD type and the Equinox's battery is lithium-ion. As for the headphones, they are Bluetooth aptX, which are much faster responding than normal Bluetooth, and they lock on wirelessly to the control box. The WMO8 wireless module allows you to connect your favorite wired headphones by plugging them into the WMO8 and then the WMO8 connecting wirelessly. Performance-wise, the Multi-IQ technology gives you great stable target ID and accuracy at much more depth than any single frequency detector that you've probably tried. The term multi-frequency itself truly means that more than one frequency is transmitted, received and processed simultaneously, which enables maximum target sensitivity across all target types and sizes while minimizing ground noise. To conclude, the Minelab Equinox truly offers more value than the price conveys, and if you're looking for something similar, don't hesitate to purchase this one because you won't regret your decision. At number 2, it's the XP Juice. The XP Juice is a fantastic high-end metal detector that combines an ergonomic design with an exceptionally powerful performance. All of this will surely elevate your treasure hunt experience to a whole new level. In terms of design, this model boasts an elegant all-black lightweight body that's accompanied by a sleek elbow rest and moulded rubber handle that won't slip off your hands, so you can search for treasure for quite a long time. At the back of the handle there's the remote control that consists of a vivid screen with 6 buttons and a headphone port in which you can plug the headphones. Since I've mentioned the headphones, I'd like to inform you that this unit comes with full-sized ear cup style wireless headphones that are fully weatherproof, so you'll benefit greatly by having them. On the bottom there's a large 11-inch double D coil which is fully submersible in water, and apart from the large coverage, you'll also detect various metals that are placed inside the water. But let's talk about features. First, we'll start with its remote control. Its control unit will offer you a clear sight regardless of whether you're searching during the day or the night, and of course that's always welcome since everyone wants to see the controls and what's going on during the process. Moving on, its control unit will provide you with 8 modes, and 4 of those are motion and 4 are non-motion, where each of them will play a huge role in your adventure. I'd also like to inform you that this unit has 4 frequencies from which to choose, starting with 4 kHz, 8 kHz, 12 kHz and up to 18 kHz, which of course is amazing because you can switch between them as you like. On the other side, if you want to be even more focused while searching for treasures, I'd suggest you plug the included headphones in because they have a good isolation, and after you're done you can safely store them in your backpack without any problem since they can be folded. Overall, you should consider the XP Juice seriously, due to the fact that this unit is exceptionally lightweight and performs extremely well, so if you do decide to purchase it, you won't regret it. And at number 1, it's the Minelab CTX 3030. The Minelab CTX 3030 is a high-performance metal detector that's strong and designed for all-terrain use. While it's not cheap, but it does come with a range of advanced features that are not found in many of the other high-end models. For instance, wireless audio, superior target separation and built-in GPS. There's also a color display and advanced fee code discrimination, along with Minelab's famous FBS multi-frequency technology. Design-wise, the CTX3030 is a well-balanced device that's durable and built to a high standard. It features an attractive grey and black colour scheme, along with a matte finish on the stem. Unlike many cheaper detectors, the CTX3030 has a dedicated lithium-ion battery pack. This is rechargeable, so you'll save money on new batteries, and the lithium-ion technology means it charges relatively quickly. The detector is also waterproof down to a depth of 10 feet. While it's not suitable for diving, it's great for hunting in rivers, creeks, or at the beach. However, keep in mind that the standard headphones are not waterproof though, so you'll have to make sure not to get those wet. One of the best things about the CTX3030 is how easy it is to customize. You can set it up to suit your personal tastes and hunting style, as there are plenty of options and settings. So let's talk about its features. At its core, the Minelab CTX3030 is a multi-frequency VLF detector that comes with an 11-inch Double D search coil. Also, the CTX3030 is built with Minelab's FBS technology. This combines multiple frequencies between 1.5 and 100 kHz, so you can find deeper targets more effectively. The combination of frequencies also helps the detector ignore mineralization and provide a more precise target ID. This feature alone gives the CTX3030 a huge competitive advantage over many other detectors. When combined with a precise fee code discrimination, color target ID, and rapid digital signal processing, Minelab has raised the bar for coin and relic hunting. Moreover, there are 5 preset search modes included in the CTX3030: coins, beach, relics, silver, and high trash. While these modes are great for beginners, they're also useful if you just want to get hunting quickly. To conclude, the CTX3030 is definitely a high-end metal detector that comes with premium features and performance. And if you've got the budget for it, don't hesitate to purchase.